Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasra Ashiki Binti Mat Nazir from Architecture Program, Department of Civil Engineering, Polytechnic Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah, and I will be presenting my paper with title The Influence of Green Technology on Architectural Design Complexity for Students. Okay, for the introduction, I will be explain briefly about the Design Studio project, green technology or green architecture, and Design Studio with sustainability focus. Design Studio is often considered the heart of architecture education, providing students with a platform to apply theoretically knowledge, develop design skill, and cultivate a deep understanding of the architectural design process. And the Design Studio project also is a core or the backbone of the architecture student, which is this is a must or compulsory subject and compulsory task that architecture student need to complete. And the green technology or green architecture, also known as eco-friendly technology or sustainable technology, that is refers to the development and application of product, processes, and systems that have minimal negative impact on the environment. And for the Design Studio with sustainability focus, usually incorporating green technology into architecture education not only equip future architects with the knowledge and skill needed for sustainable design, but also contributes to a broader societal shift towards environmentally conscious practice in the built environment. By fostering a commitment to sustainability, architecture schools play a vital role in shaping a generation of professionals who prioritize the health of the planet and their design and decision-making process. The objective of this paper will be focusing on analysis of semester 5 student survey executed in the end of session 1 2023-2024 in year 2023, which to understand student approaches and how the green technology principle give impact to their design complexity in Design Studio subject. The research is based on the assumption that positive understanding on green technology principle lead to positive experience in the exploration of more complex design. The goal is to understand how the factor of sustainable principle could help students develop and design more complex and attractive building design. And for the methodology, the questionnaire was distributed to 50 student architecture students in semester 5 of Polytechnic Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah Kuantan. The semester 5 students were selected because they already learned subject of green technology during semester 3, and they were emphasized to adapt the green technology principles in their design studio, which is Design Studio 5 during their final semester. And the questionnaire design cover the adaptation of green technology principle is applied in their ongoing design project, and how the green technology help the student to design more complex and interesting building design in their project. The questionnaire comprised of 3 sections. In section 1, students are asked about the implementation of green technology in their design and how many green technology features were adapted in their building design. In section 2, students were asked about the element that could help develop their understanding of green building and design complexity. And lastly, in the section 3, students were asked about their satisfaction in their final outcome of their design building. For the finding and discussion, results show that there were high level of adoption green technology in the design project by architecture students in semester 5 Polysas, as shown as in table 1, showing the percentage of green technology adoption in student design project and the numbers of green technology elements that students implement in their design project, shown in table 2. And the table 1 show the frequency of adoption green technology in their design project. Majority of the students implement the green technology in their design project, and only 5 students do not adopt the green technology. The result indicate a positive trend with a notable portion of students, which is 90% of students incorporating green technology into their design practice. Figure 1 shows the types of technology being embraced, such as energy efficiency software tools, sustainable material or eco-friendly design methodology, which can provide valuable information, the evolving landscape sustainable design practice. And this figure also relate to the table to result shown here, whereby most there are 3 numbers of students adopt 6 numbers of green technology methods in their design. The survey results on table 3 show majority of respondents, which is 40 students, who acknowledge that green technology helps in design exploration, and this suggests a strong belief in the positive impact of sustainable technologies on the creative aspect of design. These positive affirmations align with the growing recognition of the role of technology in shaping environmental conscious and innovative design solution. While the majority expressed a positive stance, the small number of respondents, which is 3 students who answered not really, and 7 who choose no, raising interesting question about potential area of skepticism or lacking understanding about the green technology concept. Meanwhile, Table 4 shows the perception of students on the role of case studies in deepening their understanding of green technology and its integration into architectural practice. The majority of respondents who affirm that case study help in understanding green technology in architecture suggests a prevailing belief in effectiveness of this educational approach. The small number of respondents, which is 3 students who expressed a neutral stance with not really, and 7 with no prompt further exploration into potential area of doubt or dissatisfaction with the use of the case study. And table 4 shows the perception of students on the role of case study in deepening their understanding of green technology and its integration into architectural practice. The majority respondents who affirm that case study is help understanding green technology in architecture suggests prevailing belief in effectiveness of this educational approach. In figure 2, display the result on student satisfaction with their design project. The majority of respondents, which is 76%, expressing satisfaction with their design project, in encouraging indicator of the overall success of the educational program. Positive satisfaction rate suggests that significant portion of students feel fulfilled, accomplished, and engaged in their design endeavor. And for the conclusion, the positive impact of incorporating green technology into the curriculum has emerged as a transformative force in shaping student understanding and adaptation of sustainable practice within the design studio. Second, the positive impact of green technology on architectural design complexity for students. It is evident that integrating sustainable practices into the educational framework significantly enhance the quality and the depth of architectural project. And lastly, the positive impact of student adaptability is evident in their willingness to explore and experiment with green technology in their project. And that's all from me. Thank you.